Hello YouTube, Ben here with another video. Thank you for stopping by. I'm very excited to be here today with you. I just received this package in the mail, and I want to have the chance to open it right with you. Let's see what is in here. This package came all the way from this company called Imaginary Authors. I would love to tell you they are sponsoring this video, but sadly they are not. And Imaginary Authors is this indie fragrance house located in Oregon, in Portland, Oregon. Is what we call it, an indie fragrance house, which means they produce their fragrances in small batches, and it's all a small operation. So what I got here in this package is what they call a discovery kit, which means that it contains the some of the most well-known or popular fragrance in that brand. I decided to order this discovery kit and give it away to one of the lucky supporters in this channel as a thank you for supporting. And I decided to go with this brand because number one is the uniqueness. Number two, it has a good reputation among other hardcore fragrance reviewers on YouTube. I have never tried any of the fragrances from this brand, so whoever wins this giveaway, I will be a little bit jealous about it. So this is what you're gonna be getting. You're gonna be getting this package. I'm not even gonna open it to see what is in here. I'm just gonna mail the package the way it is, and it will be up to you to open up and find out. All the fragrances from this brand are perfectly unisex, so whoever wins, it doesn't matter the gender, is still going to be able to wear them. It says to be 100% vegan product. It had never been tested on animals, and the presentation of the box, it just looks like a little book. So the brand is the Imaginary Authors. They're not sponsoring, and for that matter, none of the products I have talked to you included any of my videos has been sponsored. Maybe in the future they will, but right now I'm just sharing with you my thoughts and all the products, and if I like them, I'll let you know. If I don't like them, I'll let you know too. And I'm going with this brand, Imaginary Authors, based on the reputation that it has gained from other YouTube reviewers that has tested the brand, and they swear by it is good. Some of the ingredients that they use for making their fragrances are 100% organic, and I really hope you like them. They have included in this package 10% off card that I will also include when I mail it to you, and the description for each one of the fragrances included in that box. The description, it looks like a bookmark. There will be some interesting reading here about each fragrance. It looks like this one is for memoirs of a trespasser. So what I would like you to do in order to be eligible to participate in this giveaway is number one, you have to be a supporter in this channel. I'm trying to grow the channel, so I will appreciate if you decide to participate, to hit the subscribe button. The other small request that I would like you to have is to display the channels that you have subscribed to, so I can check that you really are a subscriber and you are supporting this channel and helping the growth. The other thing I would like you to do is leave a comment in the comment section for this video. It can be any comment about anything you want to share with us. And the other thing is, and I have to apologize for this, but this giveaway, it can only be for USA residents only, just because at this point I can't afford to mail things like this overseas. So if you are in the USA and you decide to participate, that'll be okay. So apologies for my friends that overseas in other countries. Maybe later on, I'm sure we'll have opportunities to have a worldwide giveaway, so everybody can participate. I'm very grateful for your support. So I'll be announcing the winner of this giveaway in 2 weeks. Hopefully you decide to participate. I will appreciate that. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section and let us know what you think. This is all that I have for this video. I really appreciate. Thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you very much for your support, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Please consider to add me in other social media platforms. I'm gonna add the links in the description below of this video. Thank you very much, and see you again next time. Bye.